Hello, good afternoon from Falls Lake, just north of Raleigh, North Carolina in Wake Forest. Today we've got earthworms on a bobber. Got a new Dawa, reel and rod combo. I mean, I put it together myself. Got some camouflage spider wire braided line, top lure, jitterbug, resemble a frog. And my favorite blonde-haired niece, Addison, gave me this one bearing Dawa. It's a nice, and what we've employed on this as bait is a rubber worm. We've got the zooms. So we will be targeting panfish, catfish, and largemouth bass. Maybe crappie. Let's stir it up. Got a portion of a nightcrawler worm on here, bobber, a little weight, and I'm gone about 2.5, 3 feet. Looks like we got us a Channel Blue Catfish right here. Looks like we got a nice blue cat. What a pretty fish right here. That's probably about 16 inches long right there. Give me a sec. Pick up one of these. That's a pretty catfish right there. Looks like something got it right there. That's not for me, but that's a pretty fish right there. Look at that. That is a blue catfish right there. Yeah, he's got some abrasions all on him right here, so I don't know if he's been caught in a net or something. Look at all those abrasions on his line. Pretty fish though. Off you go, buddy. There he goes right there. We tore it up, didn't we? New species to the book, blue catfish. Tearing up these catfish today. This looks different. This looks like a, well, I don't know. Look at that. It's a little bit smaller than the last one. Looks really close to, you know what? No, he doesn't have that gash on the side. Similar to, fishing a little bit more. Yep, we got another catfish on night crawlers. Pretty little catfish. Whoops. But he is probably what, about 13, 14 inches long. A little bit smaller. I guess the last one was 16, 17 inches long. It's pretty big. Pretty little fish. Back he goes. Fish number 2. We're tearing it up, aren't we? Yep. Well, fish number 3. We got us a nice crappie here. Oh, a beautiful specimen. Look at that. A pretty fish. Fish number 3. And then we caught a blue catfish. Another blue or channel, and this beautiful crappie right here. We're having lots of fun today, aren't we? Off he goes. This is the 4th species today. I think we've got, this is a pretty little bluegill. We've got a blue catfish, a channel catfish, a black crappie, and a little bluegill. Alright, say bye.
Got another catfish.
Definitely watch out for the spikes. Another nice pretty little catfish. It's not as big as the other ones, but it's a channel. Look at the spots. Had that beautiful fish, so he's going back. Yep. It's fish number 6 right here. It's okay, little fella. A pretty little catfish. Got a little bit dirty. There, the spikes right there. But he's going back. Fish number 6. Now, is that a bullhead right there? Because the head looks different. It's short and stout. I believe this is a bullhead. So this could be the 3rd catfish species of the day. A blue, a channel, and a bullhead. That is the pier down there where I was fishing 2 weeks ago. There were some people there earlier. Well, the catfish are really biting. I literally just put a new nightcrawler on and cast it out, and I got another channel catfish. So, falls, when the weather's right, is definitely a nice place to fish. Let's get the line in the camera. Pretty little fish. You got anything to say? Okay. Fish number 8. This is what about the 4th channel. The catfish are tearing these earthworms up today, I tell you. Oh boy. I tried to stick it there. Got a little catfish. Okay, well, I think we maxed out our fun on catching catfish with worms today. But we caught a blue catfish, that was cool. Few channel, I think I got a bullhead. Look at the stout head in that one. And I got a bluegill. When I first got here, I was using my reel my niece Addison gave me, the one bear in Dawa. And I got a zoom green worm on there. And I had it in the water no more than 3 or 4 minutes, and it took off. And my rod holder, if I hadn't grabbed it, it would have gone in the water. So it was either a catfish or a bass. So that was pretty cool. But it's 7 after 7. The parking area closes here at 7:30. So we're gonna wrap things up. I got some new t-shirts. I didn't wear it today. Probably gonna do a hike tomorrow somewhere before I get back on my homework and stuff. So appreciate you watching, and hopefully I delivered a little better this time. Bye.